Hey, Attorney Sharon here, your Georgia Wealth Wellness attorney. I wanted to hop on here with a quick PSA announcement. Listen, I get it. I understand. I know it's not always financially feasible to hire a bankruptcy attorney. I totally get it. But if you're going to draft your own schedules or if you're going to hire these bankruptcy petition preparers, please be careful. I am seeing more and more clients coming to me with the trustee trying to sell their assets, or usually their home, because they've done it themselves or they've hired a petition preparer and they've messed up. Most recent client lives here in Georgia. He hired a petition preparer out of state. She clearly didn't know what she was doing. So when she drafted schedules, not only did she fail to disclose the assets that he had, she shouldn't have put him in a Chapter 7 to begin with because he had too much equity in his home. And the part I don't get is that the fees that she charged him were comparable, if not the same, as the fees he would have paid a licensed attorney. So this gentleman came to me, heartbroken because the trustee was trying to sell his home because he had too much equity. And also the simple fact he didn't disclose the assets. So it was nothing but problems for him. And you have to be careful when you're hiring these petition preparers because they're not licensed attorneys. They don't know the bankruptcy code. They may tell you they do and think they do. They don't know the bankruptcy code. They don't know your exemptions. They don't know the requirements, unfortunately, to get you and have a successful case, and they jeopardize your assets. This young lady swore him up and down she knew what she was doing, and now he's in the process of trying to negotiate with the trustee so that he won't sell his house. So he's looking to come out of pocket now $120,000 to pay back all his creditors now, everyone, so the trustee won't sell his house. That bankruptcy in no way helped him. It defeated the whole purpose. But because he hired her and she didn't know what she was doing and took his money, and the only thing she did was refund him back the filing fee, $338. What good is that now when this man has to come up with $120,000 so he doesn't lose his home? So this is my advice to you, please. If you're thinking about filing bankruptcy, whether you're going to do it yourself or you're going to hire a bankruptcy petition preparer, go have a bankruptcy consultations. Most bankruptcy consultations are free. At least sit down with a licensed attorney, explore your options so you know if you should be in a 7 or a 13 or if you even qualify for a 7. Talk to that licensed attorney so that if you're going to do it yourself or hire someone, you know and you're informed on the best chapter for you so you're not going in and losing your assets. Because if you go into a Chapter 7 and you file it mistakenly, you cannot voluntarily dismiss that. A Chapter 7 cannot be voluntarily dismissed. And if that trustee knows you have assets, they're going to take them and sell them. So make sure you're informed. Be careful, please, in hiring these bankruptcy petition preparers. It breaks my heart to see people losing their homes left and right, or the trustees trying to sell their assets. So please just be careful. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.